हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू ग्रेटर प्लस। चलिए देखते हैं कैसा रहा आज के मार्केट का परफॉर्मेंस। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, निफ्टी 17,557.05 पे क्लोजिंग है, प्लस 159 अंक में और 0.91% में। और डायरेक्शन आप देख सकते हैं, बुलिश डायरेक्शन ही है पूरा दिन मार्केट का। और ओवरऑल परफॉर्मेंस देखें तो ओपन एट 17,422.30, प्रीवियस क्लोज 17,398.05, टूडेज लो 17,402.70 and high 17,570.55. If we look at gainers and losers group, then you can see in 50, 37 under advancers and 13 under decliners, and in 37, 34 under 0 to 2% range and 3 under 2 to 5%, and in decliners in 13, 12 under minus 2 to 0% and 1 under minus 5 to 2% range. If we look at stock wise, then you can see in gainers list LT large and turbo at the first position with plus 4.04%, then HDFC 2.93, HDFC Bank 2.68, ITC 1.98, Grasim Industry 1.92, Sun Pharmaceutical 1.85, Hindustan Unilever 1.84, Tata Consumer Products 1.44, Adani Paints and Adani Ports 1.43, Titan 1.39, Tata Consultancy Services 1.24, SL Technology 1.19, एशियन पेंट्स 1.13 एंड कोल इंडिया 1.07। ये सभी 1% और उससे ज़्यादा की बढ़त वाले हैं, और 1% से कम की बढ़त वाले आप देख सकते हैं इस लिस्ट में। इन्फोसिस, बजाज फाइनेंस, HDFC लाइफ, बजाज ऑटो, कुछ इस तरह के स्टॉक हैं लिस्टेड। और इस लिस्ट में सबसे एंड में है टेक महिंद्रा विद प्लस 0.03%। एंड if we look at losers list, then you can see Acer Motor at the first position with minus 2.35%, then Mahindra and Mahindra minus 1.24, Adani Enterprises 1.13, IndusInd Bank 1.07 and NTPC 1.07 in minus. All this in losers group and others below 1%. You can see in this list there are Apollo Hospitals, State Bank of India, Maruti Suzuki India, Bharat Petroleum, ONGC, Axis Bank, Bajaj Finserv, and at the end Reliance Industry with minus 0.24%. If we look at technical chart of Nifty 50, then you can see how 5-minute candles appear today. Actually market is starting at this level and you can see starting से ही green candle ये बना है and direction is this, as we see in previous market and predict that market will be in upside, and this is in upside and in positive direction. And again this is indicating all the indicators and candles and market movements that market will be in a upside, and RSI at 65 and in 2080 range, and you can see all the lines and candles all above cloud and in positive direction. This is a Nifty 50, and now we are going to see BSE Sensex look closing at 59,689.31 plus 582.87 in number and 0.99 in percentage. You can see the direction, again bullish direction. And if we look at overall performance, then you can see open at 59,094.31, previous close 59,106.44 and today's low 59,094.40, if we and high 59,747.12. If you look at gainers and losers group, then you can see in 30, 21 under advancers and 9 under decliners, and in 21, 18 under 0 to 2% range and 3 under 2 to 5% range, and all decliners, all 9 decliners under minus 2 to 0% range. If we look at stock wise, then you can see in gainers list again LT large and turbo at the first position with plus 3.96%, then HDFC 2.97, HDFC Bank 2.72, Sun Pharmaceutical 1.93, ITC 1.93, Hindustan Unilever 1.78, Titan 1.39, Tata Consultancy Services 1.17, SL Technology 1.15 and Asian Paints 1.13. All these above 1%, In gainers list and others below 1%, you can see Bajaj Finance, Infosys, Tata Steel, Ultratech Cement, Power Grid, Wipro, Tata Motors, Bharti Airtel, Kotak Bank, Tech Mahindra, and at the end ICICI Bank plus 0.02%. If we look at losers list, then you can see in losers list Mahindra and Mahindra at the first position with minus 1.24, then IndusInd Bank 1.26, NTPC 1.01. All these three above 1% in losers list and others below 1%. And in this list, State Bank of India, Maruti Suzuki India, Nestle India, Axis Bank, Bajaj Finserv, and at the end again Reliance Industry with minus 0.27%. This is BSE Sensex, and now we are going to see other market, other indexes. And in NSE changes, Nifty Micro Cap 250 again you can see plus 1.38%, then Nifty FMCG 1.36, only two numbers. Nifty Micro Cap 250 is 1.38 and this is 1.36. FMCG IT 1.20, Nifty Financial Services 1.14, Nifty India Digital 1.04. All these above 1% in NSE indexes in gainers, that, and others below 1%. You can see Nifty Pharma 50, mid cap 150, quality 50, 100, total market 200, 500. You can see almost all in green in gainers list, in positive direction, all these indexes. Nifty Private Bank, India Manufacturing, and mid cap 150 at the end with plus 0.10%. And in negative direction you can see Nifty mid cap 100 lowest with minus 0.02 and highest in again India VIX in minus 1.43. Therefore market in upside. And Nifty PSU Bank biggest loser is minus 0.79%. Now if we look at BSE indexes, then you can see in this list BSE Capital Goods plus 2.08%, and this is only one above 1% in BSE indexes, and others below 1%, and that is BSE Sensex, small cap, consumer durable, Sensex 50, large cap, telecom, large cap 100, TMC, BSE 100, small cap 250, all cap, Bharat 2020 200, 500, large cap, mid cap 250. You can see this is the long, actually I have to click again on changes. Now you can see, and again few only 1 2 3 4 5 in losing direction, and that is mid cap select, oil and gas, auto, utilities, and power minus 0.71. And you can see in gainers BSE mid cap lowest 0.11. all these indexes, NSE and BSE indexes. Now we are going to discuss one from NSE, and now today we are going to discuss Nifty FMCG. This is closing at 46,361.25 with 622.80 in number and 1.36 in percentage. And you can see the direction, market direction. This is a bullish, and overall performance opening at 45,662.85, previous close 45,738.45. तो आप देख सकते हैं प्रीवियस क्लोज और आज का जो ओपनिंग है आप देख सकते हैं, इसमें ओपनिंग माइनस में, मतलब कम में पहले प्रीवियस क्लोज से, एंड देन लो है 45,626.20 and high 46,413.25. If you look at gainers and losers group, then in 15, 12 under advancers and 3 under decliners, and in advancers 12, 11 under 0 to 2%, 1 under 2 to 5%, all decliners under minus 2 to 0% range. If you look at stock wise, then you can see in gainers list Varun Beverages 2.80 at the first position, then ITC 1.98, Hindustan Unilever 1.84, Tata Consumer Products 1.44, Colgate Palmolive 1.09, all these above 1%. You can see, and others below 1%. PNG, United Spirit, Nestle India, Marico, Godrej Consumer Products, Britannia Industries, and Dabur India at the end with plus 0.08%. If you look at losers list, then you can see in this list only 3 at the first position. Radico Khaitan minus 1.05, then Imami minus 0.78, United Beverages 0.75%. Or this is Nifty FMCG today's performance. Now we are going to discuss one from BSE, and in BSE Capital Goods at the first position with 2.08. बट बिफोर दिस यहाँ पे एक क्लियरिफाई कर दें करेक्शन. देर आर 4 above 1%, 4 है एक्चुअली, हमने चेंज पे क्लिक नहीं किया था. एंड कैपिटल गुड्स विद 2.08, इंडस्ट्रियल 1.48, FMCG 1.35 एंड BSE IT 1.12. अच्छी बढ़त है. और हम डिस्कस करते हैं BSE गुड्स कैपिटल गुड्स क्लोजिंग एट 35,214.85 प्लस 717.69 अंक में 2.08% में. और डायरेक्शन आप देख सकते हैं बुलिश डायरेक्शन है. एंड if you look at overall performance, then you can see open at 34,402.33, previous close 34,497.16, today's low 34,390.11 and high 35,267.22. if you look at gainers and losers group, then you can see in 24 15 under advancers and 9 under decliners, and in 15 11 under 0 to 2% range, 3 under 2 to 5% and 1 under 5 to 10%, and in decliners in 9 8 under minus 2 to 0% and 1 under minus 5 to minus 2% range. Now if we look at stock wise, then you can see in gainers list Ilgi Equipments at the first position with plus 7.34%, then LT Large and Turbo 3.96, Timken India 3.56, Schaeffler India 1.14, SKF 1.90, Bharat Electronics 1.61, Praj Industry 1.13, Honeywell Automation 1.07, and you can see others below 1%, that is Thermax, Lakshmi Machine Works, Sona BLW, Prison, Switzerland, AIA Engineering, Hindustan Aeronautics, then GMR Airports Infrastructure at the end with plus 0.58%. if you look at losers list, then you can see in this list fail at the first position with minus 2.48, then Bharat Forge minus 1.75, CG Power and IND 1.87 in minus, all this in minus, and Grindwell Norton minus 1.34, and others below 1%. in this list you can see Polycab India, Carbon Drum Universal, V-Guard Industries, ABB and Siemens at the end with minus 0.07%. This is BSE Capital Goods performance. Now we are going to see in movers top gainers and top losers. Top gainers all and changes. You can see Zenith Steel PIP IND Limited 20% की बढ़त है. then Srenik again 20, Archid Ply again 20, Kritika Wires again 20, RV Incon Limited again 20 and Kaya again 20. आप देख सकते हैं कि 1 2 3 4 5 ये तो 20% मतलब मैक्सिमम है. और इस लिस्ट में सबसे एंड में आप देख सकते हैं वी मार्ट इंडिया लिमिटेड 16.71% की बढ़त है. इससे ऊपर आप देख सकते हैं धनी सर्विसेज, अलंकित, कुछ इस तरह के स्टॉक्स हैं. और आप देख सकते हैं कि इस लिस्ट में सबसे एंड में 16.71 है, मतलब कि मार्केट में अच्छी बढ़त है सभी स्टॉक्स में. और टॉप लूजर्स देखें तो टॉप लूजर्स एंड ऑल ऑलरेडी सेलेक्टेड. एंड एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं चेंज पे क्लिक करके. गोल्ड स्टार पावर इसमें 95.07% की माइनस में दिखा रहा है. देन PNB हाउसिंग फाइनेंस 14.34, भंडारी होजरी EXP माइनस 6.80, ये माइनस 95.07 क्या है कि कुछ भी रीजन हो सकता है इसमें, क्योंकि अपर सर्किट होता है और उस लेवल से जैसे 20, 25, 30% से नीचे गया मतलब मान लो कि एक बार ब्रेक किया अपर सर्किट, फिर दोबारा दिया, फिर ऐसे, लेकिन 95 उस तरह से लगता नहीं है। ये इसमें कुछ दूसरे भी रीजन हो सकते हैं, चाहे स्प्लिटिंग का हो या अदर रीजन हो। एंड अदर्स आप देख सकते हैं, पीएनबी हाउसिंग फाइनेंस 14.37, भंडारी हॉजरी 6.80, इज्मो 6.38, श्री रामा न्यूज़ प्रिंट 6.20। all these maximum losers, and in this list at the end, Caddies 4.91% in minus. This is top gainers and top losers. ओवरऑल दिस इज टुडेज मार्केट परफॉर्मेंस। तो आशा है दोस्तों ये वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होगा और आपको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक जरूर करें, अपना सुझाव कमेंट बॉक्स में देना ना भूलें। वीडियो देखने के लिए आपका धन्यवाद। आपका दिन शुभ हो। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।